Welcome to HS Auto. Today we're diving into the upcoming 2026 Hero Xtreme 160R, exploring what it brings to the 160cc street bike segment, engine, styling, features and whether it's worth your attention. 1. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Xtreme 160R houses a 163.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled, or air-oil-cooled in latest versions, single-cylinder engine. Output is around 16.6 to 16.9 horsepower at 8,500 revolutions per minute and 14.6 Newton-meters at 6,500 revolutions per minute for the 4-valve version. The 0 to 60 km/h sprint time is claimed at roughly 4.4 to 4.7 seconds. Gearbox is a 5-speed constant mesh manual. In short, solid punch for city use and occasional spirited rides. 2. Chassis, suspension and handling. The bike rides on a tubular underbone diamond-type frame. On the front you get either conventional 37mm telescopic forks, in standard trims, or USD forks on the Pro variant. The rear is a 7-step adjustable monoshock. Curb weight hovers around 139 to 145 kilograms depending on spec. With a 12-liter fuel tank and compact dimensions, wheelbase 1327 mm, it's designed to be agile in urban traffic. 3. Features and technology. The 2026 edition builds on previous versions by offering a full LED lighting suite, headlamp, indicators, tail lamp. The instrument cluster is a fully digital inverted LCD with brightness control and gear position indicator. Some variants also bring connectivity, Bluetooth, app alerts, and even a drag timer feature. In terms of safety, you get disc brakes front, 276mm, and rear, 220mm, tubeless tires and single-channel ABS, though dual-channel may arrive in future. 4. Styling and practicality. Visually, the Xtreme 160R adopts a Streetfighter aesthetic, sharp tank shrouds, aggressive headlamp design, dual-tone paint options. Seat height is around 790mm, ground clearance 167 mm. Pillion comfort is addressed better than past sporty bikes, though the seat is still compact. The idea blends sporty looks with everyday usability. 5. Mileage, pricing and competition. Mileage claimed is around 45 to 50 km/L in real-world mixed conditions. Pricing for previous models in Delhi started at Indian rupee 1.11 lakh ex-showroom and Indian rupee 1.3-1.4 lakh on-road for higher variants, which gives a ballpark for the 2026 model, premium expected. Major competitors include the TVS Apache RTR 164V, Bajaj Pulsar N160 and Yamaha FCS. 6. Pros and cons. Pros. Strong performance for a 160 cubic centimeters class, especially the sprint times. Feature-packed, LED, digital console, connectivity, for its category. Good value for money if pricing remains under the rivals. Cons. Still only single-channel ABS in many variants, while some rivals offer dual-channel. Some user reports mention mild issues with long-term maintenance or parts availability. The rear seat is too small for pillion. Fuel efficiency in aggressive use may drop significantly. Lowest 36 kmpl while constantly riding at 7k rpm. 7. Verdict. If you're looking for a 160 cubic centimeters bike that offers a blend of sporty PE,